let's do a hip twist with you. So collect your feet like this. Yeah, look that direction, collect this foot. This is bent, this is straight, yeah. So stay like this in triangle position. On the toe, the feet on the toe. Yeah, like this. This knee straight, yes. Now from here, watch. You're gonna take a step, point your foot behind, and then you turn your shoulders, whoom, collect your legs on the other side. Yeah, we did this last time. So go step, finish back foot, now you collect. Go step, finish, collect. Go step, finish, collect. Okay, one more time, sorry. One more time. Yeah, collect your feet. Yeah, look that way. Collect your feet, darling. Yeah, so maybe stay this way. Look at yourself so you can see here. You see your face here? Then you correct. Bend this, yes. So stay up. Yeah, give me a little connection. Now, next time come like in a dance skirt so I can see, because I don't see leg bent or straight. Hard to teach.
Okay.
Got it? So like a skirt, or maybe get something from there. So step forward, boom, and finish your back foot. Stop. Look in the middle. See, you need to turn that foot, turn. Yes. And keep this straight. So this is called finish. And now collect means watch. Collect means you turn your shoulders. See my legs still there. Turn. So upper turn first. Boom. Lower will follow. One more time. Try that. That was good. So collect your foot. Right foot bent. Yes, excellent. So give me connection, a little bit pressure. Go step. Finish back foot. Make it pretty. Yes, Lily. Very good. Now turn your shoulders to me. Keep your leg there. No, not yet. So now, yes, here and then lower body. And when lower body turn, it's a hip twist. You make your skirt fly like crazy. Now straight this knee, rotate this hip around, take this hip around. Yes, this is bend, connect, give me connection, Now go step, finish back foot, finish back foot, and then collect. Yeah, go step, finish, collect. You go step, collect. You can take schedule there if you're interested. Yeah, just take it, yeah. Come tomorrow, 6 p.m., group lessons. Yeah. Time in, go step, finish, collect. Step, finish, collect. Go step, finish back foot, collect. Yeah. Okay, because I don't see your legs bend or straight. Next time you come like something, because hard to teach because I don't know what's mistake. Is it your knee bend or like what's happening there? Okay, this is not dance. Like you need like a skirt or something. Something I can see your knees. Okay, that'll be more helpful. So from beginning, so our routine gonna look like this. We go quick, slow, quick, slow, quick, slow. Spot turn, quick. Okay, when you do spot turn, keep this arm here. Don't change it. So do it again. Spot turn, slow. Keep this arm there. Don't change. Go quick, slow. Better. Give me this arm. Now we have this connection. Collect. You go quick. Go forward to me. Forward, slow. Hip twist. And go walk, twist. Go walk. Go walk, twist. Just don't lift your legs. Walk, twist. And now from here, new section. You step side. Lift your arms up. So do it again. Stay like this. Step side, lift your arms up like this, reach to the sky. And now you're gonna sit and put your arms behind like this. Sit. Remember feet, how I teach you pretty feet? Make a feet pretty right now. Now make this feet pretty on inside. Yeah, like this. Feet most important. And then like this. Stay. You're gonna sit here and your hand's gonna be here. You're gonna be in this beautiful position. Boom. Stay like this. You see my arms go there. You stay. Stay, then you just go up. Boom. Stand up. And you're gonna do a little hug. Stay where you are. Make feet pretty. Put this arm here. Give me this arm. Give me resistance. Now go walk forward. Go walk, pivot. And now walk back. Step back and lift your arm up like a superstar, like this. Put your weight on the back foot. Step on it. Put your weight. Point the front foot, tummy in. Push your chest towards me. And live there like a superstar. That's your section for today.
It's hard.
Too hard for you?
No, feel like it's easy then.
What?
I say it's not easy to follow.
No, you can do it. I want you to dance pretty. You can learn. Go. And quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Spot turn. Quick, quick, slow. Connect. And a quick step forward and slightly diagonally. Go here. Slow. Go here. More here. Slow. Hip twist. Go walk. Hip twist. But step from the toe. Don't go from the... No. This is no. Just from the toe. Collect. Excellent. Step. Collect. Go side. Arms up. Step side. Arms up. Stay side. Okay, no. Wait. Watch. You here? There. So you here. Now you're there. Yes. So let's try that. Just that transition. So you here. You turn like this. Here. And now go there. There. Very good. Now go. Sit. Close your feet. Sit. No. You have to close your feet. So watch here. Look. Stay like this. So feet together. This close. And then sit. Same time. So go pa. Yes. But make it pretty feet. Feet pretty. Ta. Yes. Ta. No, feet together. Feet has to get together. Okay. And now do with the arms and everything together. Stay straight. Arms like this. Arms like this. Stay straight. Yeah. Make it foot pretty. Yeah. Now arms down and you sit. Go. Pa. Yes. So try again. So let's do it together. So you get here. Lily, you here. Excellent. Give me hands. Give me hands like this. So you're gonna go side and arms up. Excellent. Stay where you are. Now here, don't focus on your arms. Focus on your feet. Close and sit. Go. Excellent. Very good. Very good. Now squeeze my legs. You see, I will do something with my hands. You don't do anything. Keep your feet closed. Just stand up. Keep your hands there. Now from here, like a bird, stay. Why are you falling? Keep your feet closed. Stay on one leg. Keep this straight. Straight. That's why you see it. You bring this, I cannot see your leg straight and bent. If your knee bent, you're going to fall. Keep it straight. Make it pretty. Here with your hands like a bird. Like a bird. Boom, 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 boom. Hug. Put this arm here. Give me this arm. Connect. Go 2 steps forward. Go walk. Walk. Pivot. Step back. Arms up. Boom. To the star. To the stars. Reach to the stars. Stay like this. Tummy inches forward. Connect. Push forward. Push with your hand forward. Push forward. Okay. Keep it bent, but push forward. And you stay. Yeah. Now arm over your head. Like this. Over the head. This way. Drop down. You step back. Quick. Quick. Slow. And do rumba walks forward for me. Just go forward. Quick. Quick. Slow. Now step side. We're going to do figure 8. Side. And you just do your hips. Keep your heels down. You do figure 8. Straight knees. No. Don't bend. Straight knees. Just figure 8 with the hips. Quick. So figure 8. Okay, so let me show you figure 8. Figure 8. So do like this. Put your heels down. Keep heels down. Heels down. Turn out your feet. Just do your hip like this. Change side to side. Yes. Side to side. And then a little circles at the end of the side to side. Like you see. Hip circle. Hip. Figure 8. With the hips. Yes. Okay, so just do like this. Pendulums. Just do only pendulums. Yeah, but without changing the body this way. Just, yes, very good. So open your legs a little more. Open your legs more. Legs. This is legs. Yeah, bigger. Yeah. Turn out. Put your arms here. Just keep straight. Don't do left, right. Just change weight to the foot. Or like this. This is better. Just go from side to side. Cheek. Yes. Cheek. Feel it? Cheek. Now if you can do a little circle, that's going to be figure 8. Cheek. That's it. Cheek. Yes. That's a figure 8. It's a figure 8.